Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about angle addition postulate. Angle addition postulate is angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to angle PQR. Alright, let's do some practice. Find angle PRS. So we know that PRS is the whole angle, but we don't know the value of the whole angle. What we do know is the value of the two smaller angles. We know that we have 81 and 42. Since 81 makes up one portion of our angle and 42 makes up the other, we would add 81 and 42 to get this whole angle, to get the whole of PRS. So 81 plus 42 is equal to 123, which is going to be that big angle. So our angle PRS is equal to 123 degrees. Alright, now we're going to find the angle of ZXY. So we know what the whole angle is. We know what WXY is, and that is because there's a box. So we know that it's 90 degrees. We're also going to label our empty spot X. Since this whole big angle is equal to 90 degrees, and we have one portion that makes up 90 degrees, but we don't have the other, we're going to do 90 is subtracted by 26 to equal x. So that is 64. You could also do 90 is equal to x plus 26. It's the same thing. So angle ZXW is equal to 64 degrees. Alright, given ADC equals 135, find angle BDC. So we know that ADC is 135, and we want to find out BDC. So we know that 7x plus 11x plus 9 equals 135 because those two smaller parts will equal that bigger part. Fast forward, x is going to equal 7. And then you want to plug that in to your BDC value for x to get your value for BDC. So 11 times 7 is 77, plus 9 is 86. So our value for BDC, angle BDC is equal to 86 degrees. Alright, given NRQ equals 78 degrees, find angle PRQ. So NRQ, which is our big angle, equals 78 degrees. And we want to find our smaller angle PRQ. So we would do 8x plus 7 plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 78. Gonna speed that up. X equals 6. So then we want to substitute it in for what we want to find, which is PRQ. So 4 and then 6 minus 1, which is just 24 minus 1, which is 23. So angle PRQ is equal to 23. Is equal to 23. Don't forget your degree sign. Alright, given WZ bisects angle XWY, find angle ZWY and angle XWY. So we know that bisecting the bigger angle, it makes those two smaller angles equal or congruent. So since that angle is 52, this angle will also be 52. Then we want to find the bigger angle, but we know that angle ZWY is 52. For the bigger angle, all we're going to do is just add those two together because those two smaller angles make up the big angle. So 52 plus 52 is just 104. So angle XWY is 104. Alright, in the following problems, BD bisects ABC, find angle ABC. So we know that bisecting, once again, means that the two smaller angles of this one big angle are congruent. So 4x is congruent to 3x plus 6, which just is x equals 6. Then we're going to plug in x into our two smaller angles. So 4 times 6 is 24. And 3 times 6 plus 6 is also 24, because that's 18 plus 6. But you also could have just done, since both those angles are congruent and you already have 24 on one, the other one's obviously going to be 24. So, yep, they're congruent. So it's going to be 24 degrees on both of them. And you want to find angle ABC, which is this whole angle. So you're going to add those two smaller angles where you get 48 degrees is congruent to angle ABC. Alright, so this is another one where BD bisects angle ABC, so we need to find angle ABC. We want to find this whole big angle, and we know that the two smaller angles are congruent, so 5x minus 11 would equal 4x plus 1. X would equal 12. Then we would substitute x in for those smaller angles, and we would do 49 for both of them. We would get 49, and we would get 49. And then to find angle ABC, which is this big angle, you need to add them, and you get 98. So angle ABC is congruent to 98 degrees, or is equal to 98 degrees. Alright guys, that was it for this video. That was angle addition postulate. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you later. Bye.